Kia ora Room 9, ko Mr C, tēnā anō, this is Mr C again, and welcome to the Room 9 news for Rahina. May the 4th be with you. Haere mai, hoki mai, hope you had a great weekend and managed to get out and about. Got some cool photos and videos to share, thank you, ka pai, keep those coming in. Okay, let's have a look at Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is whare horoi kākahu. So, the house of washing clothes, which would be the laundry. So the word for laundry is whare horoi kākahu, the house of washing clothes. Okay, let's talk about what everyone been up to. Here we go, I've got a message from Ward and it says, hello Mr C, finished all the homework and into the colouring and the drawing of the autumn bits and pieces. That's great, and he's also celebrated his brother Daniel's first birthday on Friday, and he's into working on the spelling, and hope everyone's doing well. Regards, and that's from Ward and his mum. Thank you. Got a message from Kiara. Good afternoon, Mr C. Just an email to say Kiara's been working hard on her reading and maths with the Sunshine app, and enjoys watching the Harry Potter chapter book. Great, thank you. Here we go, message from Zach. Kia ora Mr C, in the weekend we went for an autumn nature walk at Ivan Wilson Park with my brother Blair and mum. Found lots of cool stuff that we could smell, we could see, we could feel, we could hear. And here are some photos. Here we go, favourite bits, running down a big hill, seeing the P Waka Waka, the fantails having a leaf fight. With probably having a leaf fight with your brother maybe. And a crazy plant, and saw some fish in the lake. From Zach, thanks Zach. Video and some photos from Daniel.
Hi Mr. Chapman, today I'm making some dumplings for my mummy.
Doing some fantastic maths work, and here's Daniel with his dumplings. Ka pai. Alright, here we go, we've got Robin. He's got a wee message for us.
Hi Mr. Chapman, I was playing the Shut the Box and I got a 3 and a 4. I had a 3 and a 4 card, which equals 7. Then I got and when I rolled the dice, I got a 2 and a 5, which equals 7. And I shut the box. I hope you're having a good day and taking care of yourself. Bye.
Fantastic work there, Robin. And there's your Shut the Box certificate, well done. Kia ora. A message from Kate, our wonderful Room 9 teacher aide. She says, hello Room 9, hope you're all happy and well in your bubbles. It's been great seeing all the exciting things you've been doing on the Room 9 news. Loving all the Lego creations, the singing, the baking, and of course the schoolwork. Can't wait to listen to your fabulous reading again when you get back. I've been working with my 4 girls on their schoolwork, and they've had to bake, do science experiments and write instructions how to get around the house. And we had lots of laughs and walking into walls, making sure the instructions were correct. I think they made Kate walk into the walls on purpose. We've been on lots of walks around the rugby fields and along the lakefront by our house, and our puppy has finally learned how to play fetch properly, so we do that every day across the road in Fergus Square. And a couple of photos there. See you soon, Room 9. Have fun and keep up that fabulous work. That's from Kate. It's Kate. And what have I been up to? Well, a couple of quick photos here. Cut out a bit of a saw blade there, whipped up, got a knife, put a bit of a handle on it, and we'll see how I go today. I might do some this afternoon, finishing off that. Okay, Harry Potter news. I've just read and recorded the last instalment just for you. I've emailed the link through, and I've also put a link in the text box below. And just, I think we've got the big friendly giant coming tomorrow, the BFG. That looks like what the votes are in, so thank you for that information. Okay, no birthday news today in Room 9, but today it's a bit of a pun, it's a play on words. May the 4th, as in May the Force be with you, which is a Star Wars thing. There you go. Alrighties, so Robin did really well with Shut the Box, so let's go. And I've got my phone here, and hopefully today we have a bit of luck with the technology, because sometimes, here we go. Are we ready? Are we on? We are on. Alright, I've got to try and beat this is the reverse of what Robin did, isn't it? Oh, 4 and a 3. Well, that's 7 as well. So I'm actually going to go the 4 and a 3. Because last time, it didn't work out for me at the end there. Oh, 4 and a 4 is 8. Ooh, a 6 and a 5 is 11. Ooh, 9 and 2. No. Well, that's my score. 156. I have to leave it there. A 5 and a 4. I can't do it. That's 9. No, it's not going to work for me today. So, Robin, it looks like you're the reigning champ. Well done. So that's it for today. From everyone here in the Room 9 news team, here at the Channel 9 studios, ka kite popo, see you tomorrow, haere rā, go well, and stay classy, Room 9.